Welcome children to my tutorial again. So as you have watched children, I have uploaded up to part 5, one dimensional motion class 9. There I have explained all the theory part. Your chapter was over. Today I am going to teach you the numerical based upon 3 equations of the motion. So children, are you ready for today's class? So without wasting time, let's start the numericals. Now children, you can see here I have written one question. Now let's start reading. A body starts sliding over a horizontal surface with an initial velocity of 0.5 meter per second. So what is the key word here? You have to underline, that is the initial velocity 0.5 meter per second. We need it. Due to friction, its velocity decreases at the rate of 0.05 meter per second square. So from this unit you can identify the term. Meter per second square means it is your acceleration, and as its velocity decreases, then it is the retardation, means you have to put the minus sign here. Now how much time it is asking? Will it take to stop? Means as I have told in the previous videos, you have to remember the keywords, that it is coming to rest or coming to stop means your final velocity is 0. You have to, if you didn't watch my previous video, then go to the previous video and you watch it and you remember it, that what are the keywords you can apply in the numericals. So one keyword is to stop, that is the final velocity equal to 0. Now you can do whatever the question had given, no need to write full, only what we need, only the keywords only you write here. We need initial velocity, already I have underlined, you can also underline in your exam. So what is the initial velocity? You write it, that is the initial velocity. What is the symbol? That is u equal to 0.5 meter per second. Then as I told that velocity decreases at the rate of 0.05 meter per second square, means retardation. So retardation means only you have to put the minus sign. So acceleration also you can write, or retardation also you can write. So here acceleration is minus 0.05 meter per second square. Retardation means your negative acceleration. Then how much time will it take to stop? Stop means your final velocity. Final velocity v equal to, that is 0. Then what is asking? Time t is the question mark. Now you can understand children, it is our given condition. So according to the given condition, which equation you will apply, you just identify it. As you know that there are 3 equations of motion. Now see that which conditions has given. So acceleration, it is the A. So now you just understand, v u a has given, t is asking, means simply you can apply the first equation of motion, that is the v equal to u plus at. From here we can calculate t, then b minus u by a. Now you see that vu has given or not. As vu has given, so you can directly calculate t. Now you can put t equal to, v means 0, minus u means 0.5, a means, that is the minus 0.05. So on calculating, you will get that one, minus 0.5 by minus 0.05, minus minus cancel, you will get the 10 second. So your time is the time, you can write full also, that is the final answer, time t equal to 10 second. That much only you can do in your exam. So now you can write in your fair note also, and you practice it properly so that you can do in your exam. Now children, go to the next question. Now you can see children, I have written another question. Again you read it. A train accelerates uniformly from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour. So this is our key point, that is 36 km per hour and to 72 km per hour. Means here it is the initial velocity is 36 km per hour and final velocity is 72 km per hour. In 20 seconds it is the time. Find the distance travelled by it. It is the question. Now you write all the things in symbolically first, that what has given and which equation you are going to put, and what has not given, how you will calculate. Now as I told that whatever the things given you have to write in symbolically, that initial velocity u equal to 36 kilometer per hour, means as you can say that here the time is in seconds, so you have to convert it into meter per second. So here as I told before that in shortcut manner, if you are going to change kilometer per hour to meter per second, directly you can multiply by 5 by 18. So it is your 2, that is your 10 meter per second. Now final velocity. That is the v equal to how much? 72 kilometer per hour. Means that also you can convert, that is 72 into 5 by 18, so you will get 4, so your 20 meter per second. Now time taken, that is the time equal to 20 seconds. Now what is asking? S equal to, it is the question mark, distance S you can write also. Distance, time t equal to 20 seconds, distance S equal to, it is the question mark. Now children, as I told that you have to understand which is the required equation here. So as you know that one, to find out the S, two equations are there. S equal to ut plus half t square or v square minus u square equal to 2as. So whatever equation it is needed, there is one thing, acceleration is needed. S equal to ut plus half a t square. So a is needed. Here a has not given. Or v square minus u square equal to 2as. There also a is needed. So a is not here. So your first work to find out the a. How will you calculate the acceleration? Now you see the conditions. V, U, T has given. So directly you can find out the acceleration here. So your first duty is to find out the acceleration here. Like this you have to analyze all the numericals. So acceleration A equal to V minus U by T. So A equal to how much V, that is the 20, how much 10, U that is 10, T is your 20 second. So here that is the 10 by 20, means it is 1 by 10, 1 by 2, it is just 0.5 meter per second square. Now children, you can see that you got the acceleration, that is the 0.5 meter per second square. Now you can put here. So any equation you can take here, it is okay. S equal to ut plus half t square you take, or v square minus u square equal to 2as you take. Now I am thinking that it is very easy to find the v square and u square, so we will do that one. Otherwise you can put s equal to ut plus half t square, no problem. What is your convenient you can put. Now I am going to put the third equation. So as you know that v square minus u square equal to 2as. So s equal to v square minus u square by 2. So how much v square? 20 square. How much u square? 10 square. By 2a means 2 into 0.5. That is the 20 square means 400 minus 10 square means 100, and it is the 1.0 means only you will get the 300 meter. So your answer is distance s equal to 300 meter. This is your final answer. Now you can do in your fair note, and now let's go to the next question. Now children, you can see here I have written the next question. An aeroplane taking off from a field has a run of 500 meter. Meter means only distance. Always you try to identify the term according to your unit. So an aeroplane taking off from a field has a run of 500 meter means it is the distance s. What is the acceleration? Acceleration is asking. And takeoff velocity if it leaves the ground 10 seconds after the start. After the start, it is the keyword, means your u equal to 0. And takeoff velocity means it is asking the final velocity. So these are, and t has given 10 seconds. So these are the things you have to write in the symbolically. Now let's do the answer. What has given? That is asking the s equal to, distance s equal to 500 meter. Distance s equal to 500 meter. time t equal to 10 second. Now acceleration is asking, you can write it. Acceleration, A is the question mark. Then in the takeoff velocity, as I have told that it is starting from rest. Rest means initial velocity. Initial velocity equal to, it has u equal to, it is 0. Now final velocity it is asking. So two things here it is asking. How can you find out the two things? First let's see that acceleration. How will you find out the acceleration? Now u t s has given s t u. So only you can apply here the second equation, that is the s equal to ut plus half at square, so that you will get the here a. Then after for v you can apply two equations, third equation and your first equation. Now let's do the second equation. What it is there? S equal to, as you know, ut plus half at square. Now u has given 0. 0 into t, anything is multiplied by 0 means it is 0. Then after s equal to, you will get that one, s equal to, it has given 500. Half at square means half into a it is asking. T square means 100. 10 square it is 100. Now you can do that one, 250. Now you will get 50a equal to 500. So a equal to 500 by 50, that is your 10 meter per second square. Now the first thing you got that one, that acceleration equal to 10 meter per second square. First is over. Now go to the second one, asking v. So any equation you can apply here, maybe third or maybe first. I am going to put here the first equation because it is easy. Why? We will calculate the square. So directly v equal to u plus at. Simply we can put that one. U has given 0 plus a you got the 10 and t you got the into 10. So v equal to, you will get 100 meter per second. So this is your final answer. Now you can do at your note. Now go to the next question. Now children, you can see the next question. An object undergoes an acceleration of 10 meter per second square. It is important, 10 meter per second square. Acceleration has given. Now starting from rest means initial velocity equal to 0. Find the distance travelled, s is asking, by it in 5 seconds, time has given. Now write symbolically all the things children. That is the acceleration. Acceleration a equal to 10 meter per second square. Starting from rest, as I have told you, initial velocity. Initial velocity u equal to 0. Distance travelled means your s. Distance s. It is the find means it is find means it is the question mark. Time t. Time t equal to 5 seconds. Now as I am telling every time that you have to identify which equation is suitable for this. Now s u a t given. So you have to find out s means ut plus half at square, directly you can put. Now let's go to that equation also. S equal to ut plus half at square. So ut, you got 0. As I have told that anything is multiplied by 0 means it is 0. So this portion you got the 0. Only half at square means half into a you got the 10. T square means it is the 25. Now you can 2 5s. So you will get directly 125 meter. So children, now see, it is very easy question and you got the final answer, distance equal to 125 meter. Now we do your note. Now go to the next question. Now children, you can see the next question. A car traveling at 60 km per hour means your initial velocity has given. Uniformly retards means your here the thing is acceleration is negative. For 10 seconds means time. and reaches a velocity of 45 km per hour, means it is the final velocity. Find the retardation, means your acceleration is asking. So as it is asking about the retardation, means you will get the answer in negative. So don't be worried about that one. If your negative answer will come at the last, you will write that negative sign indicates the retardation. So first let us find out the answer. So let us write, as I am telling, that what has given, that is the initial velocity. Initial velocity. What is the symbol, children? U. That is the 60 km per hour. But children, as I am telling every time, you have to convert it into the meter per second. So what to do? You have to multiply by 5 by 18. 60 into, that is the 5 by 18. Now calculating, you will get that one, 50 by 3 meter per second. 50, you can calculate, you will get that one. Now final velocity. Final velocity V. What is given? 45 km per hour. Now in the simple manner, same manner, you can calculate 45 into 5 by 18. Now like this, on calculating, you will get that one, that is the 25 by 2 meter per second. 25 by 5 by 2 meter per second. Now what is the time taken? Time t equal to 10 seconds. So what is asking? Retardation, means you can directly write also acceleration, and you will get in the negative. Acceleration question mark. Now you think which equation it is applicable? Yes, V U T A is asking. Directly go to the first equation of motion, that is the A equal to V minus U by T. So V means whatever it is, the 25 by 2. U means what is the 50 by 3, and T means it is the 10. Now you do the calculation, you do the subtraction of the fraction, and on calculating you will get the direct answer that I have already calculated. So that is the minus 5 by 12 and equal to, you can remember children, you cannot keep it like this in the fractional form. Always in your board exam you have to do the decimal form. If you will like this, means it will be 0. Your mark will be cut, because in the board fraction is not allowed. This is the very important thing, children. You have to remember, all the fractions you have to change in the decimal form. So by changing it into the decimal form, you will get minus 0.42 meter per second square. Meter per second square. Already I have calculated. So as I told that it is the retardation, you got the negative sign. So you have to write that negative sign indicates the retardation. Indicates the retardation. You have to write this line also. Now this is your over, only it is asking, so you can write in your note. Now go to the next question. Now children, you can see the next question. When brakes were applied to a car, brakes had applied means its velocity decreases. It retarded means negative acceleration. You have to remember, as I am identifying the words, see, brakes is not necessary, or whatever the were applied is not necessary. Only the important thing is it retarded. So in the whole line, retardation is the important thing. That is the negative acceleration, means acceleration has given at 5 meter per second square. And stopped means it is also important, because to know that final velocity, that stopped means final velocity is 0. 15 second means time is your 15 second. Find the initial velocity, U is asking. So these are the important things. Retardation is the important things. Now symbolically you write the answer. That is the what it has given, that retardation means your acceleration. Acceleration only you write, because retardation has no A, means you have to put the negative acceleration. So directly you can write the acceleration for your retardation. So acceleration A equal to, but you have to put the negative sign, 5 meter per second square. Stopped means final velocity. Final velocity V, that is the 0. because stopped. Then time. How much time it has taken? That is the 15 seconds. What is asking? Initial velocity. This much things only we need. So no need to go through the full problem or no need to write. Just only you can write that much. Initial velocity u equal to question mark. Now see that one. Which one you can apply? Which equation you can apply? Yes, v u a t has given. Then go for the first equation. V equal to u plus at. V equal to u plus at. Now from this you need the u. You just see that one. U equal to v minus at. Now put the values. U equal to v means 0 minus a means minus 5. T means your 15. So here you are getting 0. This minus plus 15 into 5, that is the 75. So u equal to 75. Its unit is meter per second. Very easy question. Directly you will get the answer. U equal to 75 meter per second. Now children, you understood? You can write in your notebook. Now go to the next question. Now children, see the next question. What is given? A body moving with a velocity of 6 meter per second. As I have told that one, already it is moving with a velocity of 6 meter per second, means initial velocity. Uniformly accelerates. Acceleration has given 1.5 meter per second square. What will be its velocity? Final velocity is asking. After 5 seconds, time has given. And how far will it move? Means distance is asking. S is asking. That much things only need. Now write in the symbolically, children. That is, what is the given? Initial velocity. Means your initial velocity u 6 meter per second. Acceleration a 1.5 meter per second square. Time t equal to 5 seconds. Now what is asking? Final velocity v. Final velocity v question mark. Another one is a question mark. How far means distance. S equal to also question mark. So definitely if two things are asking means two equation you have to put. Now see for the first thing which equation it is considerable. U A T V. So definitely you can go for the first equation. Go that one. So here for that one, yes, V equal to U plus AT. Now what is U? 6 plus A is your 1.5 into T is your 5 seconds. So 6 plus 7.5, it is the 13.5 meter per second. So it is, you got the V. Now to find the distance S, V square minus U square equal to 2AS you can put, or S equal to UT plus half AT square you can put. But here I will go for the V square minus U square equal to 2AS, third equation. Otherwise, as per your convenient you can put the equations. No need to go for my equation only. Now S equal to V square minus U square by 2A. From the third equation, I am putting the third equation. Now directly you will get that V square means 13.5 square minus U square means 6 square by 2A means 2 into 1.5. So by calculating the squares, already I have calculated. I am going to put that one 182.25 minus 36 by 3. So your answer you will get that one 48.75 meter. You can also calculate. That is your final answer. Distance equal to 48.75 meter. Now you write in your fair note. Now next go to the next question. Now children, see the next question. A bullet is fired onto a wall with a velocity 50 meter per second. Means already your initial velocity has given, that is the 50 meter per second. So this is your important thing. If the bullet stops, again it is your important, stops means final velocity is 0. At the depth of 10 centimeter means it is the distance. Now inside the wall. So all about the question, these three are the important. You got that one, initial velocity, final velocity and the S. Find the retardation, means it is your negative acceleration. Now write all the things symbolically, children. What are these? Initial velocity. Initial velocity, that is the u. U equal to 50 meter per second. Then stops means your final velocity. Final velocity v equal to 0. Depth of 10 centimeter means total distance. It is the how much distance it has gone, where it went. So distance s equal to 10 centimeter, but you cannot calculate with centimeter. You have to convert it into the meter. So 10 by 100, it is the 1 by 2 meter. Sorry, 1 by 10 meter. This is your distance. Now what is asking? Retardation means acceleration you can write, but what children you will get? That is in the negative sign. That is the negative acceleration. Now you see which equation is convenient for this problem. B, U, S has given. A is asking. Yes, directly you can put that B square, A equal to B square plus minus U square equal to 2AS. Third equation. From there you can find the A. So directly I am going to put that one. A equal to V square minus U square by 2S from the third equation. So V square means it is 0 square. Then U square means 50 square. Then 2S means 2 into 1 by 10. Now on calculating you will get that one. That is the, you calculate all these things. I have find out the answer. That is the 12,500 meter per second square. So your final answer is 12,500 meter per second square. This is your final answer. You write in your note. Now go to the next question. Now children, you can see the next question. A car traveling at 18 km per hour means already initial velocity has given. Speeds up into 54 km per hour means it is the final velocity. 5 seconds means time is has given. Now asking is acceleration. Now write symbolically. Initial velocity u equal to 18 km per hour. Speeds up to 54 means it is the final velocity. Final velocity v equal to 54 km per hour. What is the time? Time t equal to 5 seconds. What is asking? Acceleration. Acceleration. A is your question mark. Now from this you can identify which equation is suitable. V, U, T has given. A is asking. So first equation is suitable. You can directly take that one. A equal to V minus U by T. So what is V? 54. Yes, you cannot apply 54 because it is in kilometer per hour. So you have to change it into the meter per second. So as I told that you can apply into multiplication 5 by 18. 8 cot, you will get 5 meter per second. Here directly you can apply also 18 into 5 by 54 into 5 by 18. That is the 15 meter per second. Now you can put it here. That is the 15 minus 5 by t means it is the 5. So it is your 10 by 5. That answer is 2 meter per second square. So this is your final answer. Directly you will get that acceleration equal to 2 meter per second square. Now go to the next question. Now children, see the next question. A moving train is brought to rest. Brought to rest means it is the final velocity 0. Within 10 seconds means time is 20 seconds. Sorry, 10 seconds, not 20 seconds. By applying brakes means retardation is there. Find the initial velocity. U is asking. The retardation due to brakes. See, retardation has given 2 meter per second square. Now write it in the symbolically. All the things. What has given? Brought to rest means your final velocity v equal to 0. Within 20 seconds means your time t equal to 20 seconds. Now what is asking? Initial velocity, but given is acceleration. acceleration means it is the negative acceleration as it is a retardation. So you have to put minus sign here, 2 meter per second square, minus 2 meter per second square. What is asking? Initial velocity. Initial velocity u equal to question mark. Now see the given data, v, t, u, a has given. So directly you can put the formula, first equation, that v equal to u plus at. So directly you will get u equal to v minus at. Now what is v? 0. Minus of minus 2, t means 20. So your answer is, you will get here plus, that is the 40 meter per second. So directly you will get the answer here. It is a very easy question. Directly you will get u equal to 40 meter per second. Now you can do in your note. Now go to the next question. Now children, see the next question. The brakes applied to a car produce a negative acceleration. Negative acceleration means retardation. It is the important thing, negative acceleration, of 6 meter per second square. If the car takes 2 seconds, means time. To stop means your final velocity 0. After applying the brakes, calculate the distance, means it is asking the s it travels during this time. So these are the given things and asking is the distance. Now let's write the symbolically. That is the negative acceleration means your acceleration equal to minus, you have to put because it is negative. Then 2 seconds means it is your time. Time t equal to 2 seconds. To stop means it is your final velocity. Final velocity v equal to 0. Calculate the distance means distance s equal to question mark. So now from this you can identify which equation is applicable here. S equal to, you know that v square and minus u square equal to 2as, third equation, or s equal to ut plus half at square, second equation. Now you can see here u has not given. In the both the equation u is necessary, but u has not given. So your first work to find out u. Now you find out as acceleration means it is the a. So from the first equation you can find out the u. Now putting that one, u equal to v minus at. v means it is the 0. Minus of minus 6 into t means 2. So you will get 12 meter per second u. Now you can do anything, any equation you can put v square minus u square equal to 2as, because v is 0, you got the 12, so easily you can find out the square. So third equation is easy to put here. Now s equal to, you will get v square minus u square by 2a. So v square means 0 square minus u square means 12 square by 2a means 2 into minus 6. So you will get 144 by 6, and as I have already calculated, by calculating you will get that it is the 12 meter. Sorry children, it is 12. So that 6 into 12 it is 12. So that you will get that one 12 meter. So your distance traveled is 12 meter. Now you can do it your notebook. Now go to the next question. Now children, you see the next question. A racing car has uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second square. How much distance is asking? 10 second time has given. After the start means initial velocity is 0. Now you can write all in symbolically in the same way. That is the initial velocity. Initial velocity u equal to 0. Acceleration a equal to 4 meter by second square. Now time t equal to 10 second. Distance s equal to your question mark. Now see what is asking here. S is asking. Now which has given? UAT has given. So as you know children, the two equations are there. B square minus U square equal to 2AS and UT plus half AT square. So now I am going to put here the second equation because UTA has given. No B has given. That's why don't go for the third equation. Only you apply the second equation here. So what is the second equation? S equal to UT plus half AT square. So U means 0 into 10 plus half. A means your 4. Then T square means it is your 10 into 10. Now doing this, it is the 0. This term is 0. Now here is the 10 into 10, 100 into 2, 200 meter. Very easy answer. That your distance you will get 200 meter. Now write it in your notebook. Now let's go for the next question. Now children, you see the next question. A car accelerates uniformly from 5 meter per second to 10 meter per second. Two velocities has given means one is initial, second one is final. In 5 seconds means it is the time. Calculate. Bit 1, bit 2 has given means you have to calculate the two things. One is the acceleration, second one is the distance. So as two things is asking, you have to set your mind that two equation will be applied. Now you see that one. First you write all the given things. After that let's see which equation is applicable here. So initial velocity first you write. Initial velocity U equal to 5 meter per second. Final velocity V equal to 10 meter per second. Then time T equal to 5 seconds. So these many things are given. Asking is acceleration. Acceleration A equal to your question mark and distance S equal to also question mark. So before calculating the distance, first you calculate the acceleration A. Now see that to calculate A, which equation is applicable. Don't see here first. So A means UVT has given. So easily you can find out the acceleration by applying the first equation. So A equal to V minus U by T. So V means it is your 10 minus U means it is your 5. T means it is your also 5. Means you will get that one 5 by 5, 1 meter per second square. So very easy children, you got the acceleration. Now you can apply here in the case of distance also. Any equation you can take because U also there, V also there, T also there, A is also there. So accordingly my convenient as the small numbers are there. So V square minus U square by 2A it is the good for to find the S here. Otherwise you can apply also second equation, no problem. So S equal to V square minus U square by 2A. I have applied the third equation. So V square means it is the 10 square minus U square means it is the 5 square by 2A means 2 into 1. So your 100 minus 25 by 2. It is your 75 by 2. So your answer you will get 37.5 meter. So your answer S equal to 37.5 meter. That is your final answer. Understood children? Now you copy it in your fair note. Now go to the next question. Now children, see the next question. The brakes applied to a car produce a negative acceleration. Here also acceleration is negative. Of 6 meter per second square means you have to put negative sign. If the car takes 2 seconds means it is just time. To stop means final velocity is 0. After applying the brakes, calculate the distance means S you have to calculate. That much only. Now go to the answer. Write symbolically. Negative acceleration means acceleration equal to acceleration A equal to minus 6 meter per second square. Now 2 seconds means your time. Time T equal to 2 seconds. To stop means final velocity. Final velocity V equal to 0. Then calculate the distance means S. distance s equal to question mark. Now see children, as distance is asking, as you know that two equations were there, that b square minus u square equal to 2as or s equal to ut plus half t square. But in both the cases you have to find out the u because u had not given here. U is very necessary to calculate. So you have to find out u. So to find out u, now you go to the data. How can you will find? Now you see ATV has given. Yes, simply you can put the first equation to find u. Now put that one. U equal to v minus AT. Now what is v? V is equal to 0. Minus AT means minus of minus 6 into t means 2. So you will get u equal to 12 meter per second. Easily you got that one. Then after for s, that you can put any equation because u, v, t all are given. A has given also. So for my convenient I can put the third equation also. So s equal to b square minus u square by 2a. This is third equation. So b square means what is given? 0 square. U square means that is the 12 square by 2 into a means your minus 6. So you will get that one minus 144 by minus 12. Answer is your 12 meter. So this is your final answer. Now go to the next question. Now see children, the next question. Starting from rest means initial velocity 0. Sunita pedals her bicycle to achieve a velocity of 6 meter per second means it is your final velocity. In 30 seconds means it is time. Then she applies brakes means two cases it has the Sunita has done. First she started from rest. Then she achieved a velocity of 6 meter per second. At what time? In 30 seconds. Again after that, achieving this velocity, she applied the brakes so that the velocity of bicycle comes down to 4 meter per second. Means again it will be her final velocity. Means first the initial velocity is 0. Final velocity is 6 meter per second. After that, when she applied brake, that time it will become your initial velocity and final velocity will be 4 meter per second. In the next 5 seconds, that time the time is also different, that is 5 seconds. Means two things it has given. Calculate the acceleration of bicycle in both the cases. That's why here it is asking the acceleration in two cases. So don't worry children, you have to find out 2 times. That is the thing only. Here whatever the initial velocity you are taking, that only you have to change. In the first case, you have to take the initial velocity 0, but whenever you will apply, from here only the second case started. So, whenever you will start the second case to find out the acceleration, that time you have to put the initial velocity 6 meter per second because that time she attained that one. So, here the final velocity is 6 meter per second, but in the second case, the initial velocity is 6 meter per second. That is the thing only you have to understand from the question. Now go to the same pattern you have to do. By the application of the equations of motion only, you can solve this problem. So no need to worry. Now write symbolically as usual whatever you are doing. Rest means, so I will write first case because 2 cases are here. So this is the first case. You write starting from rest means your initial velocity u equal to 0. Final velocity v equal to 6 meter per second. Then time t equal to 30 seconds. So what you have to calculate? Acceleration. So first case you find out the acceleration. Very easy. You know that one formula of acceleration because v u a t has given. Directly you can apply the formula first equation of motion. So a equal to v minus u by t. Now what is v? 6 minus 0 by t is your 30 means your 1 by 5 meter per second square. But as I have told children, never you keep like this fraction. Always you have to turn into the decimal form. So what is your decimal form? That is the 0.2 meter per second square. Otherwise you won't get mark in your annual exam or board exam. So this is the calculation of acceleration in the first case. So now we will go to the second case. No need to worry, only you have to change the initial velocity in the second case, initial and final velocity. So second case, here initial velocity will turn into 6 meter per second, final velocity will be your 4 meter per second, and time is your 5 seconds. The same way you have to apply, same formula you apply, no need to worry. So A equal to V minus U by T. So what is V here? That is the 4. What is U here? That is the 6, and T is your 5. As brakes has applied, so definitely your acceleration will be your negative acceleration. So your answer will come in the negative form. Don't worry, only you have to write negative sign indicates the retardation, that only. So what you are getting? Minus 2 by 5. So what you have to do, children, don't keep like this. Every time I am telling that one, you have to change it into your decimal form. So answer you will get minus 0.4 meter per second square. But minus sign you have to write that. Minus sign indicates your negative acceleration. Indicates negative acceleration. That is your final answer. So very easy. You can write now. You can write in your notebook and you practice the problems properly. So children, this is all about today's topic. Hope you understand well. In the next video, I will upload some more numericals based on the equations of the motion. But you have to practice all the numericals repeatedly so that you can attend in your exam. Without practice, you cannot attend. If you cannot understand, watch my videos repeatedly and practice it. So children, before going, as always I am telling you, please subscribe, share my channel and press the bell icon also, so that you will get the notification of my latest videos. So for today, thank you very much.